So on pages 3 and 4, we just kind of included just a few charts of the hotel markets, just to give you that, you know, visualization comparison across the United States, China, along with Spain as well. The charts kind of mainly focus on three main metrics, being the occupancy rate, the ADR, and the RevPAR. Starting with the occupancy rates, you see that Spain in this chart clearly, is way ahead of all three markets. They're sitting about 74.6%, while the US and China are in the low to mid 50s. Next, you have, ADR, which, or, your average daily rate. For those of you who don't know what ADR is, just measures how much the hotels are actually charging per night. The US and Spain are pretty identical. Both are around $150 to $160, a night, or euros for Spain, which that exchange rate is very similar, almost 1-to-1, I believe. I could be wrong on the current, most up-to-date one. China, is much lower. They're kind of more budget friendly. For theirs, I wasn't able to really find like an average one, but what I could like mainly see was around like 60 to 90 bucks a night on average. And then that third chart just kind of goes over the revenue per available room. Just kind of going from the first two charts on there, just shows you how much revenue, each room generates regardless of whether it's occupied or not. Spain, comes again on top, same with those occupancy rates, about 118 euros, which is much higher than the US and China. And then, pretty much showing overall that Spain is the most profitable market overall. So, thank you.